and welcome back. Talking about UFOs, anti-gravity, and what currently is out there in military technology, I heard from an interesting viewer who seems to know a lot about the B-2 bomber and talks about a high-powered DC gas generator running off its jet engine and depleted uranium leading edge of the wings that produces a static discharge. And this supposedly is quite a well-known effect that's been proven way back in the 1930s. I thought you might be interested in it. I'm just beginning to research if it's true, if it works. But here today, let's share some of the images of this effect apparently working. And I'd like to hear from you. What do you know about this in the military? I mean, is there really a kind of a anti-gravity or a weight reduction device that US military are currently using in their aircraft? It's amazing technology if it's out there. According to a report in Minutiae magazine, classified anti-gravity technology has been in the public realm for over 6 decades. But it was revealed in 1992 that the B-2 bomber used electrostatic charges on the leading edge of its wing. According to aerospace experts, it was confirmed that variations of the B-2 bomber used electrogravitic principles based on the Biefeld-Brown effect. They say the B-2 bomber employs sufficiently high voltages to significantly reduce its weight. This enables the B-2 and other classified anti-gravity machines to display flight characteristics that appear to defy the laws of physics. So what exactly is the Biefeld-Brown effect? It derives its name from a phenomenon observed by Thomas Townsend Brown, who was experimenting with X-ray machines in the 1920s. When he applied a high-voltage charge, he found that it reduced the weight of an object. I found this piece of footage from a Russian inventor. You can clearly see that the craft flies, so it works. But what's actually happening? The effect is generally believed to rely on a corona discharge, which allows air molecules to become ionized near sharp points and edges. This ionized air is very hot and produces lift. In 2003, researchers from the Army Research Laboratory, ARL, tested the Biefeld-Brown effect by building 4 different size asymmetric capacitors. According to their report, the researchers claimed that the effect of ion wind was at least 3 orders of magnitude too small to produce any significant lift. But other researchers have claimed that there is a connection between gravitation and electromagnetism, so maybe it really works. But as we know, the truth is out there. So, competition time. What is it? Got loads of really great answers, but I decided we're gonna have 4 winners. JVC123, an anti-gravity device to send your goat to the moon. Brilliant. Billy Sharp, it's a single-cylinder overhead valve engine with a twin-piston air compressor being used to pneumatically power a wooden prop. For fun of science. Spot on. Benjamin Coates, an old Bernard demonstrating metamechanics. Brilliant, Benjamin. You're quite right. It is a Bernard engine. But my favorite and the winner is Johnny Wednesday. He says, in honor of the mighty Pratt & Whitney Twin Wasp, I dub this machine marvel the Twin Moth. But what is it? Chemical? Heat? Pressure? Kinetic? Pressure? Kinetic? It's art. Yeah, well done, Johnny. Absolutely correct. Well done, everybody, and see you on the next film.